Ayun, ang laki ng bread nila. Giant. Happy? Oh, you forgot to say something. Baby Adam. Naiingit si Baby Adam. Oh my goodness, talaga pabitaw-bitaw. Ba't mo tinawanan si Timmy?
Quietschte er auf und sprang dem Partyhasen in die Arme. Ah! Der Hase lachte. Der Hase winkte die anderen Tiere zu sich, damit der Schusch sie besser sehen konnte. Und damit seine Freunde den Schusch besser sehen konnten. That was not, at least with the book. I don't know about Adam.
Aso. Hello, Adam. Didi ka yan. Hey, Adam, mamamalingki tayo. We will buy brood. No brood, no life.
Yeah.
Sa kanila, walang tinapay, walang buhay. Sa atin naman, no rice, no power. Yeah. Saan pa regalo? Wala na?
Not na.
Wala na, ubos na.
Yeah.
Okay. Bring in back, surok. I love you, Timmy.
I love you.
I love you.
Halt verpasst und dann machen wir es
Eh, kain muna sila ng yogurt bago kami aalis. Masarap. Ang paborito rin niya ni mama niya. Ito yung lagi niyang hinahanap doon sa Pilipinas, guys, pag nandoon kami. How much is the yogurt compare here? In the Philippines compare here in Germany?
I don't know the exact numbers, but I think in the Philippines it's way more expensive.
Very expensive. I notice also.
You don't have so many milk products.
Yeah.
By the way, good morning, guys. Today we're going to make a video about budgeting in Germany. How much we're spending on the groceries, and Opa is coming back from the work. In the Philippines, we're spending like 1,000, I think, for every groceries, or sometimes also 1,500, depending on the needs. And I think every second day we went buying groceries.
Yeah.
I think around about that. And yeah, later we'll go buy groceries, and we'll take 20 euro, which is about 1,400 pesos. And then we'll see how much we'll get for that.
Let's go, let's go. And dala nila yung kanilang bike. Tag-isa sila ni Timmy. Dito naman sa ate, Baby Adam. Labas na, my goodness. Good job. Okay, Ella, next. Saglit lang, saglit. Good job. Here. And here.
And here.
And the bike. Bike again.
Hey.
Now we need to put it.
Meine Gott, ich wollte doch noch rumfahren.
Wir fahren doch damit drüben.
Ich möchte mit Timmy noch. Nein, du sollst bei mir.
Oy, dalian nyo na. Naiinitan na si Baby Adam. Let's go.
Fahren bei mir. Mami,
Jetzt
kannst du
rein. Einer
bei
fährt hin,
mir
einer fährt
sein? Komm, Timmy.
Yeah, good.
Mama fährt zuerst und dann Papa fährt.
So now we're in the car. We decided we will go a little bit further to make a little bit like outing, to make something nice for the children. We'll first buy groceries because the children are also hungry, and we will buy something to eat for them. Otherwise the mood will drop. And then afterwards we will go to a playground and walk a little bit near the river, I think. And then
Ich möchte die Kinder aus Bullabü.
yeah, and then we will go and eat ice cream.
Muss es so sein, Mama?
Yeah. Now we're in front of the Lidl. We're going to Lidl first to buy some groceries. And it's a really nice and sunny day today again. The spring is really coming nice.
Hier ist es weggespült.
Mhm. And now to the right here. Here.
To the right.
To the right. Here's the entrance. Now we can just park, find a parking, and then we can go inside.
Yeah, maybe there.
Yeah, here. Very fast.
I miss our truck.
Yeah. I can understand then. Oi!
Okay.
Adam is already hungry, so let's go.
Da. Ako talaga. Dami mong pasikot-sikot, Timmy. Gusto siya magbukas. Ka na. I love you.
Check it out. I thought you had
We
it in
have
your
money,
hands. We have money.
May bibili tayo doon, wala tayong pera.
So this one,
Ah,
the 20 euro.
20 euro. Timmy, come.
Let's see how much we get for this.
Sarap ng araw ngayon. Parang Pilipinas na. Mainit na siya.
Da oben, da kommt der Adam hin. Der könnt da rein.
Mainit, mainit. Yeah, papa may. Yeah, sobra init. Nakakita sila ng trolley nila na rin. Kailangan ko ng repolyo. Lalaki ng repolyo nila dito. Ang gaganda, oh. Para to sa pansit. Yeah. And then carrots, asawa ko. Yeah, carrots. More beans. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Aber die möchte ich im Auto haben.
Okay. Oh, ang dami. You have this one?
Daming price.
Ang dami price also. Hanap ako ng bitter lemon at saka kula. Ito, meron tayong kula. Kula. Ayan. Bitter lemon, request naman ni Papa. Tatlo hindi pa natatapos dito kanina pa. Tingi ako, Timmy. Ayun, meron na sila tig-isa. This one, oh, masarap asawa ko. Here.
Mommy, that's mine.
Yeah, I like it. Possible?
Das ist für Papa.
Yeah.
Okay, this one also.
Yeah, this one. Yan, yan. Pengi. This one is for me. I hope
For
already.
you.
Oh, dalawa. Here.
Yeah?
Mas masarap yung pizza mo dyan, asawa ko.
Hmm? You like?
Your pizza is more nicer than.
Then this one.
Yeah.
I know what to.
Ayun, ang laki ng bread nila. Giant.
It's not so big. Yeah.
Yan, dito na lang hihiwa.
Fine.
Diyan. Yan, dumami na. Kailan ko, Timmy.
Brötchen. Lecker.
Ka.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Ich möchte
Langsam.
das. Lecker.
Naku, talaga pinapak ng dalawa. Lagot tayo nito. How much is it, that one, Aniko?
199.
$1.99. Okay. Papa needs a bitter lemon, asawa ko.
Papa needs a bit of
Yeah.
Hey, ich glaub, das war ein
And ako naman ay kailangan natin ditong pumunta sa meat section.
Mama, jetzt hab ich gerade
So,
vergessen.
kailangan ko ng panghalo sa ating
Nicht mal da.
ano, tawag dito. Pansit. Nag-request sila ng pansit sa akin. So ito, meron na tayong manok. Isa lang kasi sasawag lang natin ito. Ayan. Para naman sa kanilang papritada. Ayan. Traditional. The wing part, masarap yan. Mas gusto nila yung ano, yung may nginingit-ngit na buto.
I think
Ah,
we're
good?
already over 20 euro.
I think so. Ayan pa lang siya guys, sa over na to. Do you buy your yogurt already?
Huh?
Your yogurt.
Yogurt we have already, but I didn't find the oats yet.
So are there yogurt. So kulang namin ay oatmeal at saka rice. So no rice, no power din tayo. No? Hanap tayo ng rice. I need to find my rice, asawa ko. I think it was
Mama, guck mal,
here.
was ich
Ito yung rice nila dito.
Ayan.
Basmati rice at saka jasmine. So yan, 1.99 jasmine rice. So kukuha ako ng dalawa. Ayan. Okay. Yung rice nila dito guys, nasa 140 per kilo. Yun yung jasmine rice. almost doble ng ating bigas sa Pilipinas. Ganun siya kamahal dito. Kaya sa loob ng isang araw, isang beses lang ako kumain ng rice, tapos puro bread na yun. Ito yung kapalit ng rice sa akin, guys, pag hindi ako nagra-rice. So, wheat bread.
I have already.
You have already? So, bayad na muna tayo sa counter. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung ating nagastos. Ano? Come, let's go. Patis. Kapalit na natin to.
Lego.
Ay, my goodness.
Ow.
Draußen bleiben.
Saglit lang. May mga sasakyan. Yeah. Timmy. Nako, nakatulog na si Baby Adam sa tagal namin. Ha? Okay. Finally, natapos na kami grocery. And ngayon naman ay kain muna kami ng konti. We will eat first, okay? Just a moment. Ako nagutom na kami.
Noch ein Stück und dann
Lagay muna natin to. Taglit lang. Here. This is for Mama and Papa.
Ich hab nicht so ein bisschen gemütlicher gesetzt, damit ich
We eat this one, you like? We eat this one, Timmy, yeah? Ayaw nila.
I thought we'll eat at the river. It's nice.
Oh, it's okay. We can eat also here if you like. Or maybe we can eat in the river. We will see. Oh, nagutom na kasi sila asawa ko. We can eat here also. No problem. Yeah? Don't be so strict to them, Anika. We are so hungry.
You bring back the trolley
Yeah.
or?
Oh, you bring back the toilet?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, here.
Yeah. At itong dalawa, okay yung bababa ha? Diyan lang kayo, okay? Masarap. What you will say, Timmy and Ella again?
Thank you.
On Ella?
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Yes, ma'am?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Happy. And mama? Your food? There? Yeah.
You want to take
What is that? Hot dog?
Börek?
Huh? Burek?
Here, Papa.
Saan yung akin ito? Ay, thank you Lord. Yan, dito na kami inabutan ng gutom. Salamat po. Want to buy it? Mine? Timmy, you want to buy it mine? Kagat? And that Ella? I don't know if this one is like a... Yeah, we'll see.
Klein Beizi.
Cheese and
Papa auch biting.
Yeah. Thank you, Timmy. I love you.
Love you.
By the way, how much? Before I forgot, my goodness.
in the middle we forgot to budget because it was 42 euro.
Okay. So we spent 2,800
Yeah.
in our... Ayan, guys. So sa 2,800, marami na rin kami nabili. But tingin ko mas marami kung sa Pilipinas to. Parang gano'n. Pero kung nandito tayo sa Germany, guys, ang pinaka wag natin gagawin is yung mag-convert kasi nga masasaktan lang tayo. Don't convert the money from peso if you live here in Germany. Masasaktan tayo kasi yung pera natin dito napakaliit talaga compare sa kanila. So ayun.
I think we forgot to bring water.
I have water.
Yeah, water. Okay.
Yeah.
Ella is thirsty.
Ella is thirsty? Yeah, I don't have water. I'm sorry. We can buy it inside. I forgot, my goodness. Jimmy, cook ma.
Yes.
Wow.
I will shortly buy some water, okay?
Yeah, I think so too. Can you buy me also?
Papi, Beizi.
Oh, gusto niya ko na yung chocolate. Ikaw ah. Tissue, mama. Fresh. Ay, lakog masin. Di ba ang galing magpili ni Papa? Saan tayo pupunta? Where we go?
I Papa Chat.
Ice Paw Patrol? Ice on Dan, Spearblatz? Ella? Bumili lang ng tubig sa ating mama. Ayun ha. Dito. Kain. Sarap, Timmy.
Baby,
Sanay sila dito sa bread na walang palaman. Guys, ayun no. Ayun, wala yung mga palaman. Pero bakbak sila, no? Sa atin yung mga bata, kailangan matamis eh. Dito, mapamatamis. At saka mapamataba walang halo. Oh, yeah. Kain na kain. Kain sa kanila. Yan, oh, sasarapan sila. Hinta. What you want to say to Mama and Papa?
Thank you.
Oh! You're welcome. I love you. Baby Adam. Naiingit si Baby Adam. Thank you po. Kain ni gas?
Big old. Without gas.
So you found the oats. That's good. So it's not 2,900. It's 3,000. So guys, we spent 3,000 in one grocery. Yan. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Mama, give water. What kind of water is this one? Look
What
nice.
is to me?
So, sabi mo walang gas. Let's look with gas.
Yeah, it's without gas.
Really?
Without gas.
Okay, good.
Baby
Yeah,
Adam.
Baby Adam is already awake. So, tubig muna tayo, tubig, bago magpunta ng Spear Blast. Is the Spear Blast here? It's near?
Come to my food.
You have one more here.
My box.
So, kainin lang natin doon sa, sa Spear Blast, no?
No.
Yeah, okay.
Baby, I
Why you like the plain bread? Since
Because
when
it's
you are a
very
kid?
yummy.
Oh.
You try it.
I tried. Ah, tara na. Let's go na. Let's go. Here. Alright. Inside. Oh, ganda ng araw, guys. So, thank you, Lord, sa magandang araw na binigay mo. Salamat din sa grocery namin ngayong araw. Meron kami pagsasaluhan. Yung dalawa. Ang kulit.
So, Timmy goes on his place.
yeah, come soon.
Don't forget the seatbelt, okay?
Okay, let's go.
Which way?
Same way out that we went in.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright. Bye-bye, Aldi.
Lido.
I so sorry. Okay.
Same.
Mama, think it's like he asked me to Mama.
Yeah, I
Okay,
think
left
you
or
can-
right?
I think to left. Oh, but no, to the right because I think it's only one way.
There.
Yeah, only one way. Mhm.
Daddy's doing
Ja, stimmt.
The blue zoom, the thing.
Yeah.
Left or right?
To the right. Oh no, stop, sorry. Straight. I'm also first time here in this part of the village, so I'm a little bit confused also. Yeah. To the right. Now.
Right now.
Yes.
Okay,
Now.
right ha?
Yeah.
Totoo na to ha?
Oh, yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's very nice. It's a really nice and sunny day and a lot of
Yeah, it's really,
blossoms. Everything is blooming. Spring is
The
coming.
air is really...
Yeah. I'm also very happy that Archie is here now, so I can show him all this one that I wanted him to see in the winter. I said, oh, but this one, it's not staying. The trees are not staying dead like that.
Yeah.
They will bloom very soon, and now Archie can see it also. Or wait, not yet.
Wait.
Straight.
Okay.
And now we'll park very nicely, and there's the river already, and the
Nice.
playground, and the ice cream, and everything. Oi! Everything that we need. Haha. Ich. Der Papa. Let's go!
Was für ein schöner Ausflug! Komm,
Excited oh. Basta talaga pag ice cream, nako. Number 1 yan. Siyempre mga bata. Kani ka na. Ayan, may sasakyan nga. Moment. Moment. Welcome, Mama. Static, my goodness. Let's go. Oh, helmet first. Helmet, Timmy. Helmet. This is yours. And then Ella. Ah, hindi pa nakakain ng ice cream yan. Hyper na. So, kuha tayo ng ating pang ice cream. Okay. Ella. Come here, Ella. Timmy on that side. Here. Ah, come here. Timmy on this side.
Ice cream first.
Ice cream? Okay. Ayun ako.
Mommy, I.
O, daan-daan lang. Maraming sasakyan, ha? Yeah, let's go. Ice cream first before Spearblads.
Okay, Spielplatz is there on this side and ice cream is on the other side.
Okay. Timmy and Ella, moment. David na. Let's go. Come.
Es warum immer?
Yeah, here.
Oh, there's another magnolia also.
Where?
There, the tree.
Sa Magnolia. Oh, wow. Ang ganda, guys. Yun. Namumuti.
We can also...
Nag-aagaw yung puti tsaka pink niya. Na? Saan itong dalawa? Tara na, let's go. Anong gusto nyo? Ice cream o the Spillen first?
No ice.
Oh, kita mo ice cream. Dito tayo. No, mamaya na doon. Ayun, playground guys. Marami mga bata. Wow, apakaganda niko. It's really nice here, na? And also the weather was... Woo! Ah, ang sarap ng
Nice for a
pakiramdam ko.
trip, right?
Yeah, we need to go on the other side. Let's go. Out. Go.
By the way, this one is the ferry. Oi.
Yeah. Where your papa?
Where my papa is taking when he's driving with the car on the other side.
Ah, okay. Ah, maybe there's the Filipino is there.
Yeah, the Filipino is working here. Also,
Uh-huh.
but I don't know if he's there now.
I don't know too. Maybe kabayan. So meron daw Pilipino na dito nagtatrabaho sa sa ferry na to. Oh, yun yung ice cream nasa taas.
Yes.
So,
Taas or
here.
sa baba.
Hindi ko alam. We will see.
Here's also, but there's less variety.
Yeah?
And if you want more variety, you can...
I'm not the one who will eat you. And the kids.
There's nobody yet.
Ah, so up.
Not open. So.
Obong.
Da ist
Yeah,
niemand.
Obong, we need to iwan your thingy bike here downstairs.
Da kann ich auch.
Let's go. Other side.
Shall we sit here or take out?
We take out better.
Kuchen, Schokolade, Vanille.
Ja, natürlich kann ich mit.
Nougat, Banane, Stracciatella, Joghurt, Zitrone. Aber ich
Möchte
hab Erdbeeren.
Schokolade.
Chocolate. Timmy.
Die da.
Yeah.
Welche? Die hier? Das ist Nougat. Da hinten ist Schokolade.
Timmy, was möchtest du?
Es gibt Erdbeer, Thymian, Waldmeister.
Was das da? Was ist das?
Happy na yan, happy?
Schuss nicht richtig.
Okay, happy na yung dalawa guys. Ayun na.
Mama, das ist wieder runtergegangen.
Okay, sehr gut. He was not completely in his shoe, but now it's fixed again.
Okay. Ba't kasi naisip mo dadalhin ito dito sa taas? Meron naman dun sa baba. Ay naku, ani ko. Talaga. Yan pwede sila dito. Yan. Also, there's a bench there. They can eat first.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there's
here.
bench there or there.
Yeah,
or
here.
there, wherever.
Yeah.
Gib mir mal dein Eis.
Yeah. Give mo na kay mama. Punta tayo doon sa may unahan. Let's go. Being down here. And then, Ella. Oh, yung kay Ella mabigat eh. Yung ko ba dito? Purong aluminum yata.
But does it
Ella's bike is very heavy, asawa ko. Yeah.
here?
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, you want to sit
you
here?
need to lick around your ice cream because it's starting to melt like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sarap. Happy? Oh, you forgot to say something.
Thank you.
Timmy?
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank
Mama, water for you?
Mama.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, Timmy.
Thank you, Mama.
Welcome, Ella.
So yun, tumawid na yung kanilang ferry papunta doon sa kabila na part ng ng I don't know, Walloon ba to? Or what?
Timmy. Timmy.
Sarap. Sarap ng araw, nakakamiss yung ganito. in Palawan now or in the Philippines now, summertime also.
Yeah.
I mean, no? Same like this. Parang nasa Palawan lang tayo. Just like we're in Palawan also.
Just with more heavy clothing, huh?
Kahit medyo mainit guys, pero tingnan mo yung mga tao.
Now resting a little bit. We'll wait for the children to finish their ice cream. And then we'll go burn the sugar that they took from the ice cream on the playground.
May nakita silang parang otter guys, ito. Kaya napunta kami dito sa gilid. But anyway, wala na, hindi namin mapakita. Kung inuugas na ng kamay si Timmy. Natapos na. And Ella, come here. Jogging, yo, babay. Jogging na naman. Ikaw talaga. Jogging ka. Ikaw.
I'm jogging, Papa.
Sige na.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, tapos na sila kumain ng ice cream. Tara na. Let's go na.
Timmy, that's Timmy. Wir weiter gemacht.
Ja, habe ich gesehen. Schau, hast du das gemacht.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, talaga pabita-bita. Ba't mo tinawanan si Timmy? Tayo. Yan, sige. Hindi ka matututo kung hindi ka madadapa. Yan, go. Oo. Lawak ng playground nila dito. Ang ganda. Nice, Timmy.
Look, there's an ambulance on the ferry.
Yeah. That's the ferry ambulance, yeah?
Yeah, ambulance also.
But it's not in the emergency.
No, otherwise would be a little bit taking long.
Yeah. Left and right. Looking. Haha. Pandan, wala. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Last activity namin is spear bloods.
Yeah.
Kailangan namin silang pagurin para masarap ang tulog nila sa gabi. Kaya lang hindi kami pwedeng magtagal masyado kasi meron kaming manok doon sa sasakyan. Natin dito. Dito?
Yeah.
Ganito yan. Okay. Yeah, helmet also. Nice, Ella. Come, Timmy.
Du siehst du nicht auf dem Arm von der Frau.